Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ANC on your headphones Bowers and Wilkins. You have to start by open the application, now go to settings, choose your headphones, scroll down and right here we have touch controls, so click on here and make sure that you choose ANC and voice assistant, not volume control. And now you have two options how to do it. The first one is to just physically enable it, so just click and choose the best one for you. Or you can press and hold your left earbud, and as you can see it just swapped. Oh, sorry. And again. And again. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!